In this video, we will show you how a customer can self-enroll in DataSource as a local user. This does not apply to single sign-on users. The customer will need to access DataSource through the new landing page, and there will be two buttons that say Register Now that will take them to the enrollment wizard. Once those buttons are clicked, the enrollment process begins, where the customer will select what kind of service provider they have, security or fire protection. There are a few options in order to be able to search for the customer's information: central station number, personal identification code, business phone, or customer number and zip code. Here you would choose your preferred enrollment option. This will take you to the Identify Your Site screen, where you will enter the information so that DataSource can search for the customer. There will be a Verify Your Site screen, where if successfully matched, the customer's information will be populated to confirm. You will then be able to select your enrollment tier. There are two enrollment tiers for DataSource. There is a free version for account enrollment, and then there is a paid service for a monthly fee. This is a premium service that has additional features for our customers. Once the tier is selected, you will be taken to a screen to accept the terms and conditions. Once terms and conditions are accepted, this new step in the process has been added. The customer can also create a user at this point in the enrollment process. You will be able to enter user's name, information, password. When you click Next, you will have an enrollment confirmation page to verify the data that has been entered. When you click Submit, you will receive a "Congratulations, you have enrolled successfully" message into DataSource. This initiates the process of DataSource merging the customer's information, and the customer will be able to log into DataSource and start viewing their data.